Hey guys, it's GD Sports and Gaming. What the heck?
What is this? Congratulations for 10 subs. Paper play button. GD Sports and Gaming. Hey D, we got some mail!
Hold on, I'm taking a shit. I'll be right out. What's this mail we have here?
Paper play button for 10 subscribers.
Paper play button for 10 subscribers? Oh my god. Dude, we have to frame this.
You know what this means, right?
What?
We're the next PewDiePie.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
In the intro video, I never thought this channel would go far at all. But a paper play button?
We gotta frame this,
Oh
man.
my god.
We gotta frame this.
We gotta frame it, dude.